love Nick's character, who he is. What really attracted him to me, first of all, was his love for God. You know, he was really is passionate about God, you know, and ensuring that God is first always, and always ensuring he's aligned with the will of God. And I felt very comfortable with that.
So here we are, about to start the journey of life together, and I am just so excited for it, because this is the girl I love, and I choose to love every day until death do us part. So there's nothing else I can do. I have to marry her.
Nick has been a top-class friend to me, despite him constantly setting us apart because he grew up in Mandeville and I grew up in Kingston. We enjoyed partying with our friends, and we both had pets. I had a dog named Paz, and he had a cow named Carmen. It works, yeah. Nick is dedicated to his friends. He can be seen as the glue that keeps everyone together, always somehow getting us out despite having no plan. But it's always a good time. At all times ready to listen, ready to serve, never afraid to give reproach when he observes foolishness, making the scripture which states the wounds of a friend are faithful, true. He is protective, trustworthy, loyal. Your friendship is invaluable.
There was also a period in my life when I was just over this friendship. I honestly don't remember why. But I was like, all right, you know, whatever, I'm over it. Let's move along with life. I can go back to my life. You can go back to yours. And she would say, because she have a way about her, right? She would say, well, Jadine, you know, God put us into this friendship. You know, you're the friend that I prayed for. So, I mean, if God told you that you should leave this friendship, then listen to God, Jadine. Do what you have to do, Jadine. And it's just like, all right, after I said that, what am I going to do? I can't really just, you know, it's just like, all right, yeah, let me just stick it out for like a couple more years. Yeah, whatever. You know? Like, just throw that God in the mix. Anywho, but yes, that's the kind of person that Sherona was. The friendship to her wasn't just another random person that she meets on the road and whatever. She thought that friendship was important and she prayed about it, and that's just how she approached everything in life. And anybody who really knows Sherona know that when it comes to real decision making, not just like when I was like, yo, let's just go, not those, but when it's real decision making, no, she's a woman of prayer.
Before I go into any thank yous, before I highlight anybody here today, persons who are not here who have contributed to the, I would say, perfect wedding. For me, it's perfect. I definitely, on behalf of my wife and I, yeah, that sounds good. That sounds good. We firstly want to pause to recognize the grace, the favor, the faithfulness of God in everything we have done, in everything we have been through from day one. You know, you heard Jadine, you heard Dominic speak about many instances, many memories that we have shared together, and the rough times. I didn't mention some rough times, but everything we give unto God, and we are grateful for that. So Father, we thank you for that.